Throughout the years, humans are undeniably machine-dependent. Before the widespread of innovations, most of the work people did was purely human strength. As time passed by, the motor came along and did wonders for heavy lifting just for us. In line with this, machines are being improved to make life easier and so advanced that we're now trying to colonize Mars. In this video, we're going to unlock and discover 5 incredible human-powered machines. We're going to witness human-powered machines that will make work more efficient and effortless. And as we do it, be sure to click the like button, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting videos. This is Tech Hunt. Here are the 5 incredible human-powered machines. Number 5. Foot-powered laundry machine. Doing the laundry is somewhat of a tedious and time-consuming job, and everyone in the family spares no expense – husband, wife, child. But with an incredible laundry machine invention, dread laundry no more. As a laundry machine, this 5-gallon bucket that spins on pieces of pipe might look the product of a trip to the junkyard, but its simplicity is deceptive. The product's designer took us through the creative process, from interviews with the people who might use it to months of prototype testing before they had an affordable product that could save time for off-grid clothes washing. Aaron Statham and Elliot Coven, industrial design students at Philadelphia University, collaborated with Sudanese refugees at a job placement service in New Jersey to design a low-cost human-powered washing machine. They wanted to make laundry day easier on people who wash clothes at riverbanks. The end result is the plastic bucket with a neon prine cover. To operate it, the user straps 2 loops of rope onto his feet and moves his legs up and down. As such, the market version could cost less than $4, and it's easy to make and easy to repair. At that price, it may be much cheaper than other human-powered laundry devices. We joke that our final product looks like a bunch of trash, Statham says. But using undercycled parts was the point. Their design aimed to improve on existing products for off-grid laundry market, and their research found devices with relatively expensive parts, bicycle parts for example, or injection-molded pieces. The design community is so focused on these beautiful objects, Coven says. But who says that a clothes washer has to be stainless steel and look like the Apple of laundry machines? Making it stylish would add cost, and cost was our enemy throughout this project. Sounds practical, right? Number 4. Pepper Eater. Dried red pepper is the most widely consumed spice in the world, eaten daily by 1/4 of the world's population. Although the production of pepper flakes has been mechanized in many parts of the globe, hand processing is still a common technique in the less industrialized economies. Manual pepper pressing with a mortar and pestle is very slow, and prolonged contact with hot pepper oil and dust possess serious health problems for women. In 2009, a group of engineering students at Stanford University developed a simple solution to this problem. They designed a small hand-cracked shredder that processes dried pepper into flakes and limits the operator's contact with pepper and oil. After graduation, the students partnered with Compatible Technology International, CTI, and together refined the design of the Pepper Eater for the affordability, manufacturing, and assembly. The most recent Pepper Eater prototype was field-tested with Ethiopian women. As a result, women produced high-quality pepper flakes more than twice as fast as they could by hand, doubling their efficiency and profit. Paired with a CTI grinder, the Pepper Eater can increase efficiency and income generation for rural women. It can also reduce women's exposure to harmful dust and oils. And most importantly, it'll empower women to become rising entrepreneurs in a male-dominated society. Women empowerment at its finest, it is. Number 3. Pedal-operated hand-washing station. COVID-19 spreads rampantly, and local authorities must take action to prevent further transmission, reduce the impact of the outbreak, and support control measures. In response to the global COVID-19 pandemic, implementing hand-washing station to promote hygiene behavior effectively, WaterAid Bangladesh (WAB) has demonstrated different technological options, including pedal-operated hand-washing stations. A document, Hand-Washing Stations, and easy-to-use technological and content-based, has already been published and shared by WAB, which is being very widely used by the sector. The pedal-operated hand-washing machine helps in sanitizing hands without physically touching the water tap and soapy water or other liquid soap dispensers, thereby making it unlikely for contamination at public and commonplace usage. The station is mechanically operated by foot. The pedal-operated hand-washing station has many advantages. It is made inclusively for children and persons with disabilities that makes it user-friendly. As foot-operated, sanitizing hands without direct physical touch to any surface makes it safe for usage at common places. It also encourages people to do frequent hand-washing due to its innovation. Lastly, excess water can be minimized since it's controlled by pedal power. With the current situation we're in, it's tactical to follow and practice proper hygiene. Washing hands is just a little action to take, but creates a massive impact upon the lives of humans. Who would have thought that even in this difficult situation, innovations play a primary role in maintaining the safety of the human race? Incredible, right? Number 2. Manual seed planter. All these years, farmers had a vital purpose in our economy. Without farmers, where can we get the food that we eat? The rice, the fruits, and vegetables. Farming was the reason civilization was possible, and big cities were able to create skyscrapers as we no longer had to be nomads with farming. Makes sense, right? To return the favor to the farmers and assist them, innovations are always on the go. With the manual seed planter, gardeners and farmers can save their backs and plant seeds without stooping over whenever they use this handmade seed planter. Thai rice farmers had a hand in the design, but it can be used with seeds other than rice too. The seeder is built from low-cost materials, mostly PCV pipe and bamboo. And if you have them, you could use power tools to make it, but hand tools, including a machine, will work fine too. A research team from Drexel University from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, developed the device working with rice farmers in rural Thailand. Drexel also partnered with a local Thai organization called the Sustainable Development Research Foundation and produced guides in English and Thai. And finally, number 1. The incredible wound pump. A famous philosophy that we always hear, health is wealth, is still compelling to this day. Health is our number 1 essential as it determines life or death, and we have an innate drive of self-preservation. So it is crucial to take preventative measures to get sick in the first place. As we all know too well, poor health will lead to inefficiency in work. Inefficiency in work leads to possible termination. To prevent this harsh possibility, inventions are here to save your day. A handheld plastic bellows pump, surgical tubing, and a newly developed airtight wound dressing can triple the healing rate of wounds. Danielle Sirovic's wounds pump is also much cheaper than the $25,000 negative pressure machines that it replaces. The wound pump needs no electricity, costs just a few dollars, and it is portable, making it practical in medical centers that have spotty power supplies and limited medicine. The pump applies slight but steady suction to certain kinds of wounds to stimulate the body to heal quickly with less scarring. Danielle worked with doctors in the lab and in the field, and in Rwanda and Haiti, and he ultimately invented a new material for dressing that leak. The wound pump is just one of dozens of low-cost medical devices that are suitable for healthcare worldwide. And that was the 5 incredible human-powered machines. Human invention never fails to amaze us. It has done wonders for our well-being. Which one of the inventions mentioned here would you like to purchase? And what other inventions do you think we should add on our next list? Leave your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And as usual, thumbs up, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for future updates. Until next time.